Guys, it's Cinema 4. The housemaid, hi. Come over here, join me. There it is, the first poster. So before we proceed inside, let's make a little review for this. My fearless forecast and my predictions for this movie, The Housemaid. Based on, as you can see on the poster, Sydney Sweeney is what's this? The main character. They are the three main characters. But what I'm trying to say is, she is the Bida. What is Bida on English? I forgot. The lead actor, the lead actress, whatever. And Amanda Seyfried is also. They are the three main characters. Okay. And what I'm thinking for this movie, the first thing on my mind is, this is even though she is the main character, what did I say? The bida, the lead, the one on lead cast. Maybe she's antagonist. She is she will do some kind of evil thing in here, and she will make some revenge, and she will seduce the husband of Amanda Seyfried, and she'll gonna kill, and she'll make some other stupid things to make this couple be miserable, and she will make the hell out of it, and she will put some stress on the life for this husband and wife. Who's this one? Brandon Glennar. And my second prediction for this, Amanda Seyfried and Brandon Glennar are also bad husband and wife in here, and they will what's this? Hold on, I forgot. Please bear with me. They will make hard for Amanda Seyfried all the hardships, hard thing, and what's this? They will put hell also on Sydney Sweeney's life. And my third prediction is, they are having they want both to have this, I don't know, so Noria. They knew each other, and they want something for this one, so it's some kind of a twist. So let's find out. Okay, bye for now. Enjoy the movie.